Hey guys, my name isn't Bob, but I do like to make stuff. I'm going to show you a simple way to reattach your handle with some 5-minute epoxy. So as you can see, this hatchet has lost its handle. It is here. Keeps sliding off and it's in several pieces. That is why it's in the masking tape. I'm going to use some 5-minute epoxy, mix it up in this cup with a popsicle stick, pour it into here, and then reattach it. So since this isn't like the Gorilla epoxy, it doesn't come with a syringe, I'm just going to pour this out at the same time. Just try to keep the ratios the same. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so it's not too hard. And I'm just going to try to pour it up to this line. I'm probably not going to use all of it, but worth a shot. There we go. Now I'm currently mixing it, as you can see. Actually, I think I might put this on the handle, or the hatchet itself, instead of pouring it into the handle. It seems a little too thick to be able to pour it in. Looks a mess. Okay, so I just put it on. I had a ton left over. I did not go all the way to the line like I said I would, but well. Now for the waiting game. So if you can feel the cup getting warm when you pour the epoxy and you mix it, it is because it is a chemical reaction, and it's called science, my friends. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good one. Alright guys, if you don't know who Bob Cladgett is from I Like to Make Stuff, you should go check out his channel. It's really awesome.